Solasta provides you with speed and flexibility you need for downstream efficiencies. And with the Dynamic Study Admin module, you can quickly and efficiently build your own studies with the confidence the data has been collected according to company and industry standards. C-Controlled Terminology, Therapeutic Area, QRS. Dynamic Visit Schedule, where the study programmer can design dynamically through which they can avoid some time taken for edit checks related to visit schedule. During CRF designing, study programmer can design new CRF or choose from CRFs from the same client, or can choose from global repository which are classified based on therapeutic areas. The first step in building your study is well-defined electronic case report form, eCRF. This allows you to collect data, that is, protocol requirements considered downstream data needs, which is in accordance with EDC and other company standards. Solasta Admin provides various CRF layouts or templates for the study programmer, like single control layout, inclusion or exclusion criteria layout, repetitive CRF layout, physical examination layout, multi-control layout. Here in single control layout can be selected for demographics CRF. This is inclusion or exclusion criteria layout or template. This is how repetitive CRF's layout look like, which can be used in designing concomitant medication or medical history CRFs. Physical examination layout or template. Multi-control layout or template, which can be used in designing lab reports types of CRFs. Adverse event and severe adverse event CRFs. Solasta makes the lives of study programmers' life easy by allowing them to add questions or items dynamically. They select the type of control, data type, and add the regular expression easily without any DB programmer's efforts. Solasta Admin facilitates the study programmer to define following edit checks for both soft and hard: mandatory query text mapping, derived or calculated edit checks, listings, range check, email alerts, cross visits or cross CRFs. Here, for example, we are trying to define edit check for informed consent date should be less than or equal to visit date 1, and can include the validation message. Here we are trying to define edit checks for CRF level or within CRF. Here we can dynamically define for demographics CRF. If gender of the subject is female, the site personnel has to complete the laboratory test for urine pregnancy test. There is CRF versioning in Solasta so that any CRF updates due to protocol amendments can be accommodated easily, and we can either implement those updated CRFs to both existing subjects and new subjects, or any of them. Through Solasta Admin's Visit CRF mapping, study programmer can add the CRFs to the visits dynamically without much efforts. Solasta Admin has various CRF outlooks, like here visit date CRF will look like this, similarly informed consent and other CRFs. No prior programming or design skills are required for Solasta Admin, and can cut weeks off your build times with an agile design approach. Contact us today to schedule a demo of our eClinical suite.